after the firing, we have a few pieces stuck onto the bed, and today we are going to remove it. All right, what do we need, Subri?
Scraper.
Yep. Okay, here we go. You gotta angle the scraper before we start knocking. Alright, can you slowly lift it off and show the bottom, please? Well, this is what is left on the board, which needs cleaning as well. To move this, we have to angle the scraper and gently knock it off. Now that all the glaze have been chiseled off, wipe it down with sponge and water. And now reapply the kiln wash.